Take these arrows and pack them into the tray. In this tray, you have 9 white pieces that easily pack into the tray. There's multiple different ways to pack them in. It requires you to think outside the box and figure out a different way to pack these white pieces into the tray. It is designed by Iwasaka, and on our Puzzle Master website, it is level 9 difficulty on a scale of 5 to 10. Start off with this piece in the corner. Next, take this one here and place it in the bottom corner. Then we're going to take this one here and place it into the top corner. Next, take this one here and place it into the bottom corner. Now you can see it's already forming ways for these pieces to sit in the tray, but we're not quite there yet with the arrows. This is where it requires you to think outside the box. So instead of going and packing pieces in like this, now we're going to turn some of these pieces and place them in the center of the puzzle. Next, take this piece here, place it onto this side of the puzzle. Take this piece here and link it together on this side. We can take this piece, place it up top here around that corner. And lastly, take this piece here and place it right there. Starting off with the simplest arrow, let's take this one and place it up here. Next, we can take the red one, place it up there. We can take this curved blue one, place it in here. But as you can see on the bottom of the tray, we have 2 curved blue ones. This one here is too long to be able to fit this curved blue one in here, so we need to place it over here. Now we can go and place this red one right there. And lastly, this yellow one can go right there. If you like the Traffic 15 puzzle, get one for yourself at puzzlemaster.ca.